guys, and today we're at Met's was point subway station. You could change. You could get the trains you could get here is a goods train, a goods passenger train, or passenger train, or not. You can't. Not in such trains over there. There's a train approaching now in the station. Let's find. This is the Food and Ice Cream Company Circle by goods passenger train. Last stop is Food and Ice Cream Company Circle. Stick it in. Please, let's go. We're gonna get hit. Here we go. This will be I think there's red lights. He's about to crash you. That's why it unclicked. See the E train. This keeps the troop. Okay. It's the Main Street, Columbus. This is 59th Street for some reason. That. Next station, Columbus. The train has left. C's going in. Train goes in. Get out quick to the next station, which is Met's Point. The train stopped out right there. This is downtown Liberty International. You can go to Met's Point. Stand clear. There's already a train going in the tunnel. Well, that train has to wait. This is a train. It's heavy approaching fast. You're on the platform. You're the platform. What does it matter? It does matter. You need to pass me. Quick. It had no function. Did they shut me? No. Come on. You're only going this way or this way? Keep on. This is the last time for you to go inside. You're gonna be back. Passenger train, express train. We're going from passenger trains or express trains. You didn't see the sign. So no goods train can stop it. Only passenger or express train. But you do have a goods train. That's not a goods train. That's a passenger train. Well, what is it called?